Stray cats and mini railway revive Osaka restaurant amid pandemic. Sitting beside miniature houses, a family of stray cats who now live at this Japanese restaurant entertained themselves by smashing model trains moving within a huge diorama installed in the restaurant to the cheers of delighted customers. The way the cat strides really looks like Godzilla. I've never seen such a thing before, so it's very interesting to me. The restaurant has not always been this lively. The restaurant's owner's original idea was to create a space where diners can enjoy watching miniature trains running on railway tracks. However, everything changed when COVID-19 hit. The business struggled and was on the brink of shutting down for good until a stray kitten changed its luck. I was thinking about whether to close down the restaurant or sell the business off at a low price so it helps everyone. As I was deliberating between these two options, those cats appeared and our life has been changed by that. At first, it was the restaurant staff who found the kitten at a nearby nursery. After taking it in, the kitten's mother started showing up at the door every day along with other baby cats. Now with 14 cats playing around in a model village, the restaurant has come back to life as more cat-loving customers visit. Everyone in the world is going through a tough time due to the coronavirus pandemic. So after I did something like that, I started to think that even if it's just a small light, I want to make it shine upon many people. The owner hopes the restaurant can bring delight to more customers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Miniature. Miniature. Stray cat. Stray cat. Smash. Smash. Deliberate. Deliberate. Delight. Delight.